In this demo, I'm going to go over how to configure your Phantom wallet, shows up on Phosphor, our NFT minting platform, and you can mint your NFT for SheFi classes with your Phantom wallet. Let's get started. Before you can mint this NFT, first you need to be signed in. Do this by clicking the ghost icon in your browser bar and type in your password. Next, you need to adjust your wallet settings. This is because Phantom is not natively integrated with Phosphor, so you need to help Phosphor recognize Phantom wallet. You're gonna click on the A1 or whatever bubble is all the way on the left next to your account number in your wallet. Then you will select the settings icon at the bottom. Choose preferences from the menu option, then go to default app wallet. I've already selected Phantom. You will see here, there's an always ask MetaMask or Phantom. You want to be sure you have selected Phantom. Once you select Phantom, it will ask you to refresh browser. So I will do that now. Make sure you're still signed in. Great. Now I can select the connect button. You will need to select browser wallet. You have made Phantom the default, so it should pop up. Now select confirm. You should be connected. If this doesn't work, try closing out your entire browser, try opening up your browser again, signing into Phantom again, clicking the connect button again, and it should work. Now you can complete the claim. To double check that your NFT made it into your Phantom wallet, you'll select the ghost icon in the top right of your browser. Then you'll select the 4 squares in the bottom. Here you can see I have 2 Becoming a Blockchain Baddie NFTs. That is how you make sure your Phantom wallet is set up for Phosphor to recognize it. Then you connect to mint your NFTs.